Ferguson?
This way, please. The late General wished for you to be the executor in his will. It will hardly be a very demanding task. He was very specific in how his possessions shall be distributed to his family. There are two things in particular that he felt very strongly that he do immediately. First is to take care of the various animals and pets that the General kept as a favorite alternative to human companionship. The latter is to ensure that an article about which he is very paranoid is delivered to his niece, Rachel Vanier, on her first birthday following his death. It reads, "I wish that on the first birthday of my niece, Miss Rachel Vanier, following my death, that the contents of my safe deposit box be delivered as a gift to my niece, and token of forgiveness to my sister, whose actions under false pretenses did much to harm my reputation as both an officer and as a gentleman."
As a token of forgiveness?
And a grand token it is. The banker may tell you more about it, but I'm sure you'll find it quite dazzling. I'm sure of it.
Mr. Collins, Wilkie Collins, I am so very glad I ran into you. I have a friend that needs his painting right now, this hour sort of job. Are you up to it?
Oh, you know I'm always up for an artistry task.
Come with me. And then continue.
Mr. Faulkner! Faulkner! Mr. Faulkner! My name is Wilkie Collins. I've heard you've been in need of an artist.
Why, yes I am, Mr. Wilkie Collins.